What's up, guys? Today I got a new set of skate shoes. I picked up the Etnies MC Wrap high top skate shoes off of eBay for like a killer deal. So I thought I'd try out some high top skate shoes. I have never skated high tops before, and I love the color. I just saw them and was like, yeah, I gotta get these because they go great with like a pair of jeans for sure. But so far, these things are like super comfortable. I like they're flexible already. Like, don't feel like they need to be broken in very much, really. But yeah, they look super nice and they fit really nice too. So I'm gonna throw in some skate clips of me skating them and see what I think about them and tell you guys what I think about them for like a little bit of a unboxing and review sort of thing. So, okay, guys, here's the first ollie in them. Let's see how they feel. Ooh, yeah, they do feel pretty nice. Heck yeah. Yeah, these are comfy. Yeah, I like the padding around the ankles and stuff. They're pretty comfortable, that's for sure. Okay, guys, let's see if I can land a first try heel flip in these new shoes. Oh, not bad. Ooh, these are comfortable. I don't know, maybe they're not, maybe the inserts aren't too much different than the Jostlins, but they feel a little thinner, but they're still pretty cushy for like landing hard. I don't know. Yeah, I like them pretty good. Doing like 10 tricks in one spot. Maybe that's a new YouTube short video. Man, I land a heel flip before I can land a kick flip. That just shows how much I suck at kick flips now. What the heck? That was terrible. What the? Man, I can't kick flip. That's crazy. Yeah, guys, I like these things a lot. They feel comfortable as heck. It feels like the insoles in them are just a little bit flatter than the Jostlins. Like, they're not quite as cushiony as the Jostlins, but I mean, overall, they feel super comfortable, and I like the ankle support of these. I've never skated high tops before, so I'll have to see how these things hold up and if I like them. But as many times as I've rolled my ankles, I thought maybe I should try a high top because I know they're supposed to help out with that. But they look killer. I love how they look, and with the retro style fat laces, they look nice. There we go. Okay, guys, final thoughts on these shoes. Like, overall, these things are super comfortable. They feel awesome on the foot, you know, and like the soles are like super grippy. These things have got like grip for days, even on my slick rubber grip tape. So I'd imagine if you're skating a regular board with like regular grip, these things would be like overkill grippy probably. But yeah, overall impressions of these, like aesthetic wise, they look awesome. Just the design of them, they just look super classic. And for a high top, these things have got like a lot of support. I'm super glad I tried them out because I've never skated high tops, like I said. But yeah, overall impressions, I'd probably give them like an 8.7 out of 10 for sure. The Jostlins are probably a little bit more just because the insoles in these feel just a little bit thin, I guess you would say, versus like the Jostlins or some of the other skate shoes for big impact skating. But overall, I would highly recommend these shoes, guys. And once again, they're the Etnies MC Wrap high tops. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you on the next one.